I'm Becca of The Boundless Bloom Life, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to hack or highlight and contour with Maskcara Beauty. On the other side of this wall is a hurricane machine that gets up to, I don't know, I didn't even look, like 78 miles per hour. And I'm going to be showing you that you can highlight and contour anywhere because mascara is so compact and easy. So let's get started. Can't bring the liquids in there either, so I'm going to finish off with a little stay spray. Remember, dampen your sponge with water, then spray. Dab to blend. This stuff will make sure your makeup stays on in wind, rain, or when your children are slapping your face all day. There we go, a hurricane hack. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more. And remember, keep blooming.